Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get activation code for Lloyds Bank. Right, so first of all, if you have not received your activation code by posting or by post after opening your account, you can request a new one through Lloyds Bank customer support. It's important to note that requesting a new code will invalidate any previously sent codes, right? So just this is just an information. Now, the first thing is that you have to contact their customer care supports. Of course, if you have your card or if you are one of the customer or bank account, you can use a mobile application and you can ask them. If you just go to the here in the website, then you will get this option of contactors or help and support. So here in the contactors, you can select any option, or I will just advise you just go to the help and support here. Now this is about the account management or online banking. You can just go and select any one of this option here. Now after that, you can just go and click on any one of this option, right? So here let's say I will just go and click on update KYC and your business information. Now as you can see here, they will give you all the steps that you can do this, but if you don't find this helpful, then you can just go and select a no, and you can just go back here. And guys, if you're just looking for a call, then here you can just get it from here. So you can just copy here. For example, I will just go and click on how to messages. Okay, so they're asking me to download their mobile application or log in into their internet banking account, and then only I will able to contact them. So here it says you can just get instant help with everyday banking task in our app and online, right? So you have to download this app and then it will be fine. And if you're looking to how to activate your credit card, you can just go through the steps and it will work out. So this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video, this information really useful. If you did, subscribe.